All variables in Python are object references. The objects are stored in the memory and contains associated values and methods, while references just store the addresses of the object, not the values. In Python, variables are actually references pointing to the object. Let's understand this through some examples. Consider memory as a table where we put values. When Python executes a equals by, it will first create a string by in the memory, then creates a variable a that points to this str object. Think of the objects as luggage and variables as a luggage tag. When we need to find the value of a, then it will go through the associated object. When Python executes b equals a, it will also point to the same object. If we modify b, then it will actually try to modify the string object. Since strings in Python are immutable, we cannot modify them. So instead, Python will create a new string object, byte, and make b point to the new object. Again, when Python executes a equals b, it will also point to the same object. Right now, there is no tag for the first object, so there is no way to use it in our program. As a result, Python will destroy the object, freeing up the memory. Now, let's take the example of lists. After executing b equals a, it will also point to the same object. Unlike string, lists are immutable. So, when we try to modify b, it will modify the object. Since they both share the object, a will also be modified. This video is part of a Python tutorial series. Click here to watch the full video and click here to watch the full course. Thanks for watching. See you next time.